it's me, Juicy. So the next one, I will just fix this. So, let's make my shower to get. Let's make this get diamond. This one. And let's get the calling card. Then let's go here. Regardless and Manulitin in my TikTok, that's my account. So how did I get this? So I got this for the series. Then let's go. So how did I get master? And get legendary until tomorrow. But if I have a time, that's it. Terminal is loser. Just kidding. I'm going to make it. They're all like this. They are so cool. They have a cool skin. Yeah. Just don't worry about it. Let's just run on. That's okay.
Destroy the objective.
Dude. Oh, wait, I got one.
Video Marie para kahit linggo ayusin niya yung lungyer dito sa office. Kasi walang naman.
Bro, you're dead.
Contact with enemy.
Kasi siya nag-assemble niyan, sabi ko sa kanya. Anihin mo na lang para kung
Bro, you're dead.
simulan na po yan hanggang ngayon walang natapos. So, para ayusin niya para pagkaroon mapaggamitan dyan.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Grenade!
Ouch. Bro, I'm so hurt. 5.35.
Ilang meters yun?
Lost the bomb. Got the bomb. I got shot!
Basta ito na maalat, natakam nga rin ako kaya kumakot na eh. Yun din nga sana ang amin ko kanina eh. Kasi may paksi. Natakam din ako sa ito na
Bomb has been planted.
Nice one.
Shot! Changing mag! Good work. Wait for the next round.
Kaya makit na ako niyaya ko. Ito naman kasi taas. Nahigit ako sa space kumakain ng isla ng alat. Kaya na nagkakaroon kami sa isda at saka yung paksi.
Destroy the objective.
Wala na din.
Smoke out!
Ano yung pinapanood mo? Lapit-lapit sa TV. Pagalitan tayo ni doktora niya.
Bomb dropped.
Look here.
Juan Carlos, dyan kami. Malapit daw siya sa TV.
You got the bomb. Lost the bomb.
Oh, good.
Ate. Bilisan mo na Libby. Sukat yan.
Bomb
Kumain
acquired.
na ba yan?
Eh!
Kumain na?
Oh.
Kain mo na
Ano
ako.
naman?
Kain mo na ako dun.
Kita mo to. O, dali mo natin yung tubigan na ano. Tubigan natin.
It's all up to you.
Matumama si ate, ha?
Mission.
Ikaw, kakain ka, magsiselfone ka na naman. Bisa mo. Bisa pa kay mama. Kasi ayaw bitawan yung cellphone eh.
Very good, brother.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Yes. Monsters. Oh, yeah.
Destroy the objective. You got the bomb.
Frick you.
Grenade out!
Dude.
It's inside.
Ouch. Bro, I just got headshot. So that's it. Even.
Bomb has been planted.
No, that's not too good. I'm so much weak.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
I should have hit it.
Let's go. Defend the objectives. Frag out.
Ouch. Rude.
Bomb has been planted.
Excuse me.
Reloading. Bomb defused.
Okay, you're a winner. Thanks for watching everybody. So please drop a like and subscribe everybody. Goodbye.